welcome back to another video. Today we have the Black Friday 2021 killer deals shopping at Love's. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform. My subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright guys, so we got the cat. These are some hats, 25 bucks. The camel's already gone. We do have some gloves there, 18 bucks for those camel gloves. Pretty nice. A little pricey for my taste, but pretty nice, actually pretty good quality. Got some cat so you can guard your knuckles there when you're doing demolition and mechanics. You got this ladder, $159. It's on sale for the Black Friday, so make sure you guys get them. There's only one left here. They got these ladders here. We got $34 for the 45-inch aluminum platform, 250-pound capacity, and then got $44.97 for the 6 feet Type 1 250 feet capacity. And those were aluminum, not the fiberglass. Alright, so $129, you got the buy one get one free. Buy any of those kits, you get a free battery. So any of these will get you a free battery, either this one, the Freak, or the drill. That is the drill at the bottom. You get that battery for free. So it's a nice little bonus there for you. Pretty good price. Bosch is a solid brand. So make sure you guys check them out. And then they have these for $129. Other stores have them already for $99. I don't know what's the big deal here. They're not lowering the price. It's almost Black Friday and they should start lowering the prices. I don't know if they're probably waiting for the last minute there, but this is some nice laser measures here. And we got a level there. We got the cat on the other side. We got some hood, some beanies here and some socks. I really like the camel there, and the black one's pretty nice. So be sure you check them out when you're here. Alright, we got some deals here, some DeWalt's, $3.99. You got a 12-inch sliding compass miter saw. I believe this one's a 779. Yeah, the WS 779. So this is one step down from the top of the line. Still pretty good, pretty solid. Has most of the features, double bevel slider, everything. So pretty nice, very solid. Here's the blades. Here's a 12-inch 40 tooth, $49.98. Alright, this is the way they look, pretty much in the center aisle if you guys when you guys come in. So $169 for 3 battery pack. It does include an 8 amp hour battery. It's a pretty good deal. $449 for the 6-tool combo kit. Those are, I believe, brushless tools. $299 for the 3-tool combo kit. 5-tool combo kit for $299. It's mostly woodworking and got a sander there. 2 battery combo kit, 3 amp hour for $99. Pretty good deal. 2 6s for $169. That's a really good deal too. Those 6s by themselves are worth that much. You got $149 brushless drill driver, impact driver. I believe this is the one that comes with the 840. You got buy one get one free. So buy one power detect brushless combo kit. You get to select a power detect bare tool for free. Alright, you buy any of these tool kits on the left, you get a free tool on the right. You get the 2-pack battery pack. You get the drill kit, impact driver kit. They do come with hard cases. You can select from the reciprocating saw, impact wrench, sander, router, circ saw, and then you got an impact driver. Looks like an impact driver. You got oscillating tool and an angle grinder. I would most likely go for the reciprocating saw. I believe that's one of the newer ones. Maybe the circ saw. Those are really good deals. $199. So definitely check them out. They got a few of these here, and then they got one of these drill driver kits for $199 too. And then you get to select any of the tools on the right here, which is this one's the circ saw. Pretty nice circ saw. This is $149. I believe this one does come with the 840. So be sure to look for it when you guys come here. It's $149. These are basic entry level tools, but still they're brushless prosumer. You can call them prosumer level. You can get the router or the oscillating tool for free on the there at the bottom. So pretty good prices. $12.98 with the rapid load 27-bit piece bit set. You got some drill driver. You got a sleeve there, bit holder, some 2-inch Phillips, some flats, some more bits there, and you got the rapid load. That's pretty much like the more modern impact driver, which you stick it in and it just holds it. So that's a really nice feature to have if you have an older impact driver. We have an impact driver that does not carry that feature. $9.98 for the 14-piece black and gold bit set. Pretty nice. Mostly entry level, very inexpensive. If you DIY, just pick one of these up. Very expensive. Got the buy one get one free. That's a really good deal. You got 2 4s charger, or you can get the impact wrench for $199, or the $249 3 or 4 tool combo kit, however you want to call it. You get a free oscillating tool, or you can choose a angle grinder, sander, circ saw, one-handed reciprocating saw, or the smaller circ saw there, or the cutoff tool, or whatever you can call it. Alright, so this is the 4 tool, or the 4 battery, or the 2 battery, 4 amp hour battery kit with the charger 140. That's a pretty good deal in my opinion. As the impact wrench, still a great deal if you're a mechanic, or if you like doing your own projects at home. This is pretty good deal too. The 4 or 5 combo kit there at the bottom. Got a sander. Alright, this is $14 for titanium. I personally haven't tested these bits. Hopefully I can get my hands into some of these and test if they're good or not. Usually I just go with the DeWalt's, the Milwaukee's and stuff like that. Then you got that smaller circular saw, and then you got the angle grinder, the oscillating tool there. It's a nice oscillating tool. It does come with some blades, I believe. $14.98 for 100 piece set. So it's pretty good. It does include those security bits to the left. You see that star with the hollow in the middle. That's a really nice feature to have. And I can't believe who's texting me this late at night. It's like almost 12 at night. You guys don't know I do these videos. Sometimes I stay up to like 2 in the morning to do these videos for you guys, because I'm really busy at work during the day. So just thought I'd put that out there for you guys. So $59 for this Craftsman. It is an entry level. Perfect for the DIY. Perfect for a gift for somebody for the first house, first apartment. 65 piece set here. This is the first time I see this. There's no price on this. It looks like it does have some sockets, and it looks like no ratchet. So I don't know. Maybe you just run them with the handheld driver there. Alright, you got this one on sale. I have no idea what the price is, but they have a whole bunch of these. So these are 5 tool combo kits. They're very complete. They do have that circ saw, so be sure to check them out. You got the Lufkin here. These are really nice, guys. They're a little pricey for me, but check this out. They are really nice. Black with green lettering. That's a really nice. They feel really solid. Really like the materials, and they are labeled on both sides, as you guys see there. I don't know. I think I'm gonna spend the full $34. Hopefully they go down on sale at the at the Black Friday. Got the A-tool combo kit for $279. That's a pretty good deal. Does very complete circ saw. You got a reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, I believe. So all those tools for $279. That's a really good deal. Alright, here's that impact driver again for $59. Alright, Craftsman is running the same deal. Buy one, get one free. Buy that 4 amp hour battery starter, get your free tool. Guys, they do have that radio still in stock. Make sure you guys pick them up. If you guys haven't checked out my video, make sure you guys check it out. It's only like a few videos back from this one. So make sure you guys check them. It runs all the way to next year. So be sure you get that radio. That's a $200 radio you're getting. Guys, this one's actually, it looks nice, but once you get to mess with the fence there, it's just a mess basically. So try to invest in something better than that Craftsman. It's just, to me, it's just, I don't want to call it, but it's pretty much trash or not really worth it, unless you're really on a tight budget. But nah, I wouldn't. I would just save my money for a DeWalt or Metabo, or maybe a Cobalt. Probably Cobalt's even better quality than that Craftsman. Alright, so $349 for was $369. It's a 12-inch miter saw. DWS 716. 12-inch double complement miter saw, $349. Alright, you got the Cobalt here. Cobalts are not that bad, guys. They look pretty. This is a slider. I really like the labeling that they have back there with the bevel. Basically, it's nice. $349. This is a DeWalt. You guys know the DeWalt solid. So $199. This is the bare bones DeWalt here. 12-inch 15-amp compound miter saw. Now you got the Metabos. Metabos, they carry all these features. Very competitive to top of the line DeWalt's. $299, regular price $129 or $399. That's a 10-incher. And then they got this one. This one's really nice too. It does have that slider there. $279 for the 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. Was regular price $299. And then they got this one. I believe this one's a 7 1/4 slider. Yep, 7 1/4 slider, 10-amp single bevel sliding compound miter saw. That's a really nice. Oh, and then they got these guys. These are really good deals. Make sure you guys pick them up if you guys need them. $299, guys. These are power detect tools. You get 2 big batteries, I believe 2 big or 1 big battery and a small battery. Yeah, 1 big battery and a small battery, and you get to pick your free tool, your free power detect tool. You can get from that angle grinder, circ saw, the reciprocating saw. Guys, those are really good tools. They're very equal to the Home Depot 60 volts flexible advantage. All right, and then they got this big kit, guys. This 5-tool combo kit. Everything's included in here. I guess they're probably gonna go for $450 around there, I believe, or $550 or something like that. Be sure to make sure you guys check on Black Friday. That Friday, it's gonna be the cheapest you're gonna find it. So guys, this is the Black Friday they're gonna put out. This was actually hiding behind an aisle. I actually had to pull it away a little bit from there so I could see it. But that's what it included. You got a fan there, a ceiling fan for $129, maybe a high end or medium to high end ceiling fan. Then you got this one, buy one get one free. That's the same deal that we just found over there. Yeah, Black Friday deals. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Just wanted to show you guys what's going on. Stay tuned for my gift zone video or gift center video for this store. I had to cut it in half. It was way too long. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.